Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English literature workbook our lesson 3 information please. Today I will explain you exercises of this lesson. Student, this is your English literature workbook. This is lesson 3 information please of English workbook. Today we have to understand exercise A, complete the table with the correct degrees of comparison of the given adjectives: positive, comparative, superlative. First of all, we have to understand about positive degree. Positive degree is a term that relates to adjectives and adverbs. An adjective or adverb that does not make a comparison is said to be in the positive degree. Now we have to understand about comparative degree. The comparative is the form of an adjective or adverb involving a comparison of some sort. Now we have to understand about superlative degree. Superlative adjectives are used to compare 3 or more nouns. In positive degree, we have to write short. In comparative degree, we have to write shorter. In superlative degree, we have to write shortest. In positive degree, we have to write pretty. In comparative degree, we have to write prettier. In superlative degree, we have to write prettiest. In positive degree, we have to write good. In comparative degree, we have to write better. In superlative degree, we have to write best. In positive degree, we have to write wonderful. In comparative degree, we have to write more wonderful. In superlative degree, we have to write most wonderful. In positive degree, we have to write little. In comparative degree, we have to write less. In superlative degree, we have to write least. In positive degree, we have to write interesting. In comparative degree, we have to write more interesting. In superlative degree, we have to write most interesting. In positive degree, we have to write much. In comparative degree, we have to write more. In superlative degree, we have to write most. In positive degree, we have to write bad. In comparative degree, we have to write worse. In superlative degree, we have to write worst. Now we have to understand exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct degree of the adjectives given in brackets. The first sentence is Rishabh's house has dash rooms than mine. We have to write larger. Rishabh's house has larger rooms than mine. The second sentence is the dash clean city will win a prize. We have to write cleanest. The cleanest city will win a prize. Third sentence is Gloria is the dash tidy of all girls. We have to write tidiest. Gloria is the tidiest of all girls. Gloria is the tidiest of all girls. Fourth sentence is Mohini is the dash old among all siblings. We have to write oldest. Mohini is the oldest among all siblings. Fifth sentence is the villa was dash grand than how it looked in the picture. We have to write grander. The villa was grander than how it looked in the picture. Sixth sentence is which is the dash famous monument in the world. We have to write most famous. Which is the most famous monument in the world? 7 sentences. There was no dash great friend of Krishna than Sudama. We have to write greater. There was no greater friend of Krishna than Sudama. There was no greater friend of Krishna than Sudama. 8 sentences. My mother baked a dash delicious cake this year than last year. We have to write more delicious. My mother baked a more delicious cake this year than last year. 9th sentences. Rubina's aunt bakes the dash tasty breads. We have to write tastiest. Rubina's aunt bakes the tastiest breads. 10th sentences. Sahana wears the dash fashionable clothes in the entire class. We have to write most fashionable. Sahana wears the most fashionable clothes in the entire class. Now we have to understand about exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adjectives. First of all, we have to know about interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask a question. An interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask a question. The words what, which and whose are interrogative adjectives. For example, what type of ice cream do you like? Which color is your favorite? Whose shirt is it? Now we have to understand exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adjectives. The first is dash book is Mehtab reading. We have to write whose. Whose book is Mehtab reading. Second is dash time does the train leave. We have to write what. What time does the train leave? Third is dash book have you read recently. We have to write which. Which book have you read recently? Fourth is dash game did you enjoy most today. We have to write which. Which game did you enjoy most today? Fifth is dash subject do you find most difficult. We have to write which. Which subject do you find most difficult? Sixth is dash work do you like more, Rajat's or Rohan's. We have to write whose. Whose work do you like more, Rajat's or Rohan? Whose work do you like more, Rajat's or Rohan?